Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see, obviously, it is this Louis Vuitton box. Wow, this one is heavy. My gosh. So anyway, this is the item that I recently purchased from Louis Vuitton, and I guess I'm not sure if you guys will be able to guess this particular item, but anyway, let me show you what I got. And also, this item was released, I think, on the 1st of February. I'm not 100% sure, but I know this was released in the month of Feb. So, wow, this one is really heavy. So, okay. Oh, wow. This is very interesting. Look at that. I got a perfume samples. Wow. That is very interesting. So, let's see what I got. I got a Spell on You. I'm not sure if you guys are already familiar with the scent of it, but I kind of like it. But Étoile Filante was still my favorite. So Spell on You samples. So this is the, okay, this is just about the fragrance right here. Wow. I got their commercial is a little bit like I find it a little strange, but anyway, I find it very, very sexy. Okay, so this is just where you spray it to try on. So there, I got a sample, and okay, let's see what they got. Okay, oh, another samples. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, I got a couple of these. This one actually never happens before, but I'll take it. Wow, I didn't know that they're giving away samples now. And I think this one is still the same thing, Spell on You. I think they are promoting, they're pushing this fragrance, Spell on You, I think. And pretty much like there's two inside. Wow, it seems like I got lucky in this order. They gave me a couple of these fragrance samples. It's the same thing as what you've got inside right here. Wow, they're actually very generous this time when it comes to that. But okay, it's so lovely. Okay, this is the packaging right here. And let me show you what I got. As I mentioned, this was released on the 1st of this year, and oh my gosh. Oh wow, here's what I've got. Okay, I got a book. So as you guys can see right there, it is a Louis Vuitton manufacturers. And it says here, Asselin. I think that was who published it. Asselin, Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh. This book is actually heavy. Oh wow. And right here, the product code is R08873. This one is retails for $95 US. It says right there, it is to this remarkable buildings and the remarkable people who work in them that this book is dedicated. Wow, look at that. So let me open this. It is really heavy, guys. The book is heavy. And as you guys, as I could feel that it is hardbound, and wow, right here. Oh wow, so this is how it looks. Beautiful colors right there. Those are the artisan, the people behind the Louis Vuitton product. And this is how it looks in front. And I think this one is, wow, this is a silk cover. Wow, it is a hard and it's a silk cover. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Oh my gosh. And on the side, it's right there in a gold writing, gold foil writing, manufacturers, Aselin, right there. Manufacturer. Oh my gosh, this is really heavy. So anyway, this is how it looks right there. And let me open it with you guys. Okay, wow, beautiful red. Baby right there. This is how it looks. This is by Nicholas Folks. Nicholas Folks. Right there. And this one is in English. And there were two versions of these. The English and the French version. And this one is around this one has, how many pages this one has? It says here there were 400 pages and around 350 illustrations. I'm just gonna give you a quick glance of this book. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. So this is just, I mean, it says on the website that this book, Louis Vuitton manufactures, illustrates the ideas fostered by the house that a manufacturer can be a place of fulfillment and individuality, where traditional craft skills can be learned, respected, and transmitted using age-old techniques and tools that would be familiar to the company's founder. So basically, the book is about a Louis Vuitton craftsmanship. It is about the artisan behind it, behind the product, the artisan that produced the leather goods from Louis Vuitton, watches, fragrances, shoes, their jewelries, and ready to wear. So it is not like, it's not something, yeah, it's like this, like I have shown you earlier. There's a bunch of illustrations in this. And I think this one is, I love it. If you are a collector, this is a perfect book for you. Perfect for a coffee table book as well. And also if you are like a hardcore collector from Louis Vuitton, they have a limited edition which is priced as $1,900 US. That's before tax, and they only produced 500 copies for that. It came in with a wood box that actually was formed by the trunks, and this one is actually printed and made in Italy. So if you wanted the fancy one for $1,900, feel free to check on the website because they have it, or call your sales associate. I mean, I think that one is only available in French version though. It says on the website it's available in French. It didn't say it's in English. But even if it is, let me just put this one, it's so heavy. Even if it's available in English, I don't think, I mean, it is a book, it's $1,900. That is already a price of a purse. So I'm probably gonna have to save my money to get, you know, to get the purse. But anyway, this book is so beautiful, perfect for as a coffee table book. This one has a silk cover right here. It is hardbound. And let me just take a look at the back of this right here. Wow, this is actually very well done. For $95 US, I think not bad at all for 95 bucks with all this beautiful collections. It says here, okay, printed in Italy. So yeah, so basically it's very interesting. So anyway, that is their Louis Vuitton manufactures the latest book, and I am pretty sure if you're a collector, you will definitely gonna love this book. You will definitely gonna enjoy it as much as I do. And wow, I'm telling you guys, this one has weight. You know, I'm not sure. Well, with the quality that they have with this silk cover, it is worth it. And it's like full color inside the printing. It is I think it's worth it, but the content, it's all up to you. I might probably gonna have to do a review a little bit later if $95 do its justice. For a book, it's $95. That's a lot, but looking at it right now, feeling the quality of it, I think it's worth it. So yeah, I would definitely gonna recommend this book to those of you who are collectors. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.